Something I like to bring along when traveling are these handles, and they're real easy to use. You just lift up the two levers. They've got a rubber suction cup, and I'll just get those wet here on parts of the shower. Now this shower, as you can see in this hotel, has a handle here, but it's really not in a good spot for where we need it. So I think I'm going to put it here in it. And when we do that, we can just push down. I like to use the palm of my hand to push down on those locks. Those create a lot of suction. Really pull on those suction cups. They're just rubber. Now, you can use this. You want to make sure that you've got it secure before you put weight on it. But now you could put one here and have any bathroom almost have these handles. When you're done using it, you just pull these off, and then your suction cups are going to let go. You've got these little tabs, and if you pull on those little tabs, it'll let the rubber come off. Leaves no marks on the shower stop, on the bathtub. And now you can take this with and use it the next place you travel to. Hope this helps.